Motion Elements Honest Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're a content creator looking for stock videos, music and motion graphics, the Motion Elements app promises instant access, but is it really the go-to tool? One of the biggest pros is convenience. Most people get this wrong by assuming you need a computer to browse stock assets. The app allows you to search, preview, and download media directly to your device. You can filter by type, resolution, and license, making it easier to find exactly what you need for your project. Another advantage is integration. Purchased assets sync across devices, so you can start a project on mobile and finish on your computer. The app also provides clear licensing information, ensuring you stay compliant when using content in commercial projects. However, there are cons. Some users report slow downloads for large files, and the app doesn't have advanced editing tools. Certain features like bulk downloads or high-resolution previews are limited unless you use the desktop version. Additionally, offline access is restricted, which can be a drawback if you're working without internet connectivity. In conclusion, the Motion Elements app is a handy tool for creators on the go. The surprising truth is that while it offers convenience and easy access to stock assets, heavy-duty tasks or bulk management are better handled on a desktop. For freelancers or casual creators needing quick access to assets, the app is a strong companion. It saves time, provides instant previews, and keeps licensing simple, but for larger projects, the desktop platform remains essential.